Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will fix some issues and improve the appearance of player view. So first of all, let me show you the issues. We open the app. In the player view, if I click on the screen, it will hide the controls, and by clicking on screen again, you can see the playback controls are not showing properly, and also the rename and delete feature is not working in Android 11 and 12. We will fix this also. And here you can see the duration of first video. It is 1 hour and 79 minutes. That is incorrect. The duration is 1 hour and 19 minutes. It's showing incorrect here, and also it's showing incorrect in properties. You can see here. We will fix this also. And we have to improve the player. Now in player, if I change the screen to full screen, then you can see in this part of the screen we will add a gradient, a dark gradient, and also we will hide this bottom device bar. We will hide this, and here one more issue we have is if I play a video, you can see the title of the video. Now if I change the video by clicking on next button, the title will not change. It's a bug. Now click on next. You can see the title is not changed. So let's fix all these issues. Now here first of all we have to fix the playback controls showing issue. Here in video player activity XML file, we have to change the hide don't touch attribute from true to false. Change it to false. And also we have to add here show buffering. Set the show buffering when playing. It will show the buffering when you play the video. And we have to set the color for buffering. Buffering color will be teal 200. So now secondly we will fix the delete and rename issue in Android 11 and 12. So for this, first of all we have to add a permission in manifest. That will be manage external storage, and in build.gradle module file we have to upgrade the compile SDK version to 31 and also the target SDK version 31. Sync now. Now we have to do some changes in allow access activity. Open allow access activity. Here in allow button on click, we have to wrap this code in a condition. We will check if util.stdkint is less than build.versioncode.r, then cut this and paste it here. It means it includes all the devices till Android 10. And in else condition, we have the devices above Android 10, that can be Android 11 and 12. Here we will check if environment dot is external storage manager. Select this one, then start activity, new intent to allow access activity, main activity dot class, and finish. Now here in else condition, if the storage permission is not permitted, then we will navigate the user to storage. Here for this we will use try catch block, intent, new intent, settings, action manage app, this fifth one, action manage app all files access permission, select this one. Now intent dot add category, android dot intent dot category dot use the URI here. URI dot from parts, first parameter will be this text, get package name, and the fragment will be null. Now intent dot set data, pass URI here, and on the last start activity for result, select first one, pass the intent, and you have to pass the code here. So create here control D, storage permission above 10, change the number to let's say 123. We have to use this here, storage permission above 10, in exception, if we got any exception, then print stack trace, intent, set the action, settings dot action manage all app, action manage app all files permission, and start activity for result. And also storage permission above 10. Here below on request permission result, we can override on activity result. Below supercall, check if request code equals to storage permission above 10, then just copy this code and paste it here. We will move the user to main activity. We have to do one more change in main activity. Open the main activity. Now here we are checking the check self permission here. We can comment this code here. So now if you check the delete and rename feature in this app, it will work for Android 11 and 12. But for checking this, we will firstly deny the storage permission from setting of app. So we will check it at the end of this tutorial. So the next issue is video name not changes if user click on next and previous button. So in video player activity, here control F, next, this is in overridden on click method, we got the ID exo next. When user click on exo next, we will also change the display name of video. So for this, title dot set text, video files dot get, pass the position here, dot get display name. So just copy this line and in exo previous, when user click on previous button, paste the line here also. So now the next issue we will resolve is video duration issue. So for this we will firstly create a class, utility class, name it as utility, take the class as abstract. Now here we will create a method that will convert the milliseconds to hour, minute and seconds. Now in video files adapter we have the method here, this method that will convert the millis in hour, minutes and seconds. We will simply cut this method, Ctrl X, and in utility paste here. Now here public, take it static string time conversion, change it to capital LONG, long, milliseconds. Just remove these lines, and here if milli not equal to null, then Ctrl X, and here Ctrl V. In else statement simply return Control Shift above, return it to null, get the long variable here for seconds, in parenthesis milli divided by 1000. It will convert the milliseconds to 1 seconds, because we are dividing the milliseconds to 1000. It will convert it to 1 seconds, 1 second. So long seconds percentage 60 for minute, in parenthesis seconds. You have to select the seconds, not seconds slash 60 outside of parenthesis percentage 60. It will convert all the seconds to minutes. For hours, HRS hours parenthesis seconds slash again parenthesis 60 steric 60 outside of this parenthesis percentage 24. It will convert it to hours. So now if hours greater than 0 means if video have the duration more than 1 hour, then we will return it to string dot format hours, minutes and seconds. Else we will return to minutes and seconds, means user not have the duration more than 1 hour. So now we can simply access the time conversion method all over the app. So in video files adapter, here time conversion, we will get the time conversion from utility class, utility dot time conversion. Also the red error here, time conversion in showing properties, utility dot time conversion. So now in video player activity, also we have to fix the video duration issue that is showing here, the total duration of video. The ID is exo duration. We will initialize the text view first in video player activity. First let me find the text view, name it as total duration. In init views, simply here control D, and total duration change it to exo duration, that is the total duration of video, exo duration, total duration. Now below here create a double variable for milliseconds, and video files dot get position dot get duration, it will get the duration of video. Alt enter, and third one wrap using double dot pass double. Now the total duration dot set text, use the utility class here, utility dot time conversion, pass milliseconds in parameter. Alt enter, cast to long, and that's it. So now we have to implement the gradient color on below icons of playback controls. On these icons in custom playback view, simply we have to collapse this relative layout. Also we have to collapse this linear layout. We have to wrap this relative layout and linear layout in a separate linear layout. Create here linear layout, width match parent, height wrap, align parent bottom will be true, and background will be at drawable. Background drawable will be playback. Icons background, we will create this file. Orientation will be vertical. Control X and paste it here. Control X, paste here. Control V, Control Alt L, it will wrap the code. Point on it. Alt enter, create it. Now here change it to shape, rectangle, gradient, center X will be 0.9, center Y 1, angle 90, start color will be, you have to follow this color code. This is start color. End color will be hash and 8 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the gradient radius will be 40%. Type linear. Now in custom playback view, now you can see the background gradient color below these icons. So now we will hide the bottom navigation bar when user play the video. So for hiding that bar in video player activity, simply we create a method here, public void, name it as hide bottom bar. Create if statement, int is greater than 11, and build dot version codes sorry, build.version dot stk int v dot set system UI visibility as gone. Now in else if the version is greater than and equal to 19, then create object for view decoder view get window dot get decode view decode view, create int variable UI options view dot system UI flag hide navigation, second one, and vertical bar view dot system, we have to select the second one, system UI flag immersive sticky. Now below this line decoder view dot set system UI visibility will be UI options. So now simply we will call this hide bottom bar method. In on create below the get support action dot hide, we have to call the hide bottom bar method, and also we have to organize all our files in packages. So right click on this package, new package, first create for activities. We have to drag and drop this all the activities in this package, allow access activities, refactor, main activity, splash screen activity in activities, also video files activity, continue. And here we got the error. Simply you have to point on the line, alt enter and press add. Do it for all the lines, alt enter. Now drag this activity, video file activity, we have one more error here, update video files, alt enter, make update video files to public, we change it to public. So now we can video file activities here. Now video player activity, refactor, let's create other packages for adapter and model classes. Adapters, playback icon adapter, refactor, video file adapter in adapter, video folders adapter, Now we have to create models package. It will contain all the models here, media files, volume dialog. We can move all the remaining files in models. Now we have organized the code in these three packages. Activities contains all the activities, adapters and models. So now we can run the app and check all the issues we have resolved and the appearance of playback controls. Run app. We have the error here, apps targeting Android 12 and higher are required to specify an explicit value for Android exported. Well, look. We have to add this tag in manifest exported. Manifest. Add the tags here. We have the tag here in video player activity. Alt enter, set exported to true. Now we can run the app again. We have to add the exported tag in splash screen activity. You can add this tag in all the remaining activities. Run app. Our app is installed. Now open the app. Now you can see the video title. If I click on next, previous, you can see the video title is changing when I change the video. Also, if I click on the screen, the playback controls are showing properly. And if I firstly play the video, you will see the buffering dialog here, the buffering dialog. So, and also you can see the bottom bar is hiding unless we swipe to show it again. You can see the video player is showing in all the screen. And we have the gradient here. Also we have fixed the video duration issue. Now you can see it's 1 hour and 19 seconds. Also for properties and the all video duration here. Now here also you can check the delete and rename feature for this app. It will work properly in Android 11 and Android 12. I am using this app in Android 10, so you can check the delete and rename feature in Android 11 or 12. So that's it for now. In next video we will work on this menu option. Until then, Allah Hafiz.